To add keywords to PrestaShop, start by opening a web browser and navigating to the PrestaShop website. Click the Get Started button, which will redirect you to a page where you can download and install PrestaShop on your device, either for free or as a paid version. The installation process can be reviewed on the PrestaShop website. Once installed, set up your shop, which will have a dashboard with various options, including Sell, Improve, and Configure. To add keywords, go to Configure and then select Advanced Parameters, where you can find options such as Information, Performance, Administration, and Email. If the Preferences section is not visible, check under Shop Parameters, but it should be accessible after installing the full version. Navigate to Traffic and SEO and select the search engine being used. Then add meta keywords or words. This process allows for the effective setup and optimization of your PrestaShop.